how I was with Luden cough drops. The cherry flavor.
I'll eat a cough drop right now for no reason.
Dude, but not any cough drop. Like Ricola, it'll like put fucking hair on your chest. Like those are...
Ricola's wild.
Bro, who the fuck has those and thinks like, delicious?
Yeah, I'm like eating a hot rock. It's like I'm eating like...
Exactly.
You know what they put on top of hookahs? That's what I feel like a Ricola is. I'm just like taking one of those and I'm like...
That's exactly what they
They're
are.
hot.
They put the hot coals. They took it off of a hookah fucking.
Yeah, like,
hookah
bro,
pipe.
and then you package it up and call it a Ricola.
No, but those Ludens, babe, when they're like, "Oh, this is medicine," I'm like, "Dude, I know
That shit is
candy.
heat.
I know candy. That's straight candy, baby."
It is.
And the cherry flavor. Don't give me fucking like I had orange flavor ones. Now listen, they weren't that bad, but that cherry flavor, candy, straight candy.
Yeah, the OG one is fire.
I remember on the packet it was like, "Do not exceed 3 per 24 hours." And I was like, "Bro, I have 3 in a sitting."